it's Tara, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this eye makeup look. I also dyed my hair for the first time ever. My friend Tonya did it for me. It was meant to be hot pink, but the dye kind of turned out red. This makeup look is kind of inspired by Euphoria, and also I wanted to play around with like this new eyeliner that I had. It's the NYX Vivid Brights liner and I thought it matched my hair pretty well. Comment below what else you guys want to see from me. I am actually going to be going to America for 3 weeks and then I'll be in Singapore for like 2 weeks as well. So I'm just going to be around the place. I'm probably going to do vlogs, not that anyone watches them, but... Okay, so I've just zoomed you guys in super close. So this eyeliner look is actually going to be like a fusion of my normal eyeliner, which I wear every day. I'm just going to be using black eyeliner and this NYX Vivid Brights. It's kind of like a reddy pink eyeliner as well. And then this is the black eyeliner that I wear every day. It's Nature's Republic Botanical Hyperliner in black. And then I also have like a few little stickers and gems that I'm gonna spice this look up with. So I'm just starting out by doing the inner corner of my eyeliner with the black eyeliner, and I'm following the shape of my eye upwards and stopping just before my eye ends. Starting near the end of my eyebrow, I'm doing a line down and just kind of tracing that out with the eyeliner and filling it in. Going in with the NYX eyeliner, I'm layering that on top of the black eyeliner and filling that in so I have a black border around the pinky red. Going in with the eyeliner, I'm doing some dots as well. And then doing the other side as well, and then some dots down my nose. So now I'm going in with the gems and I'm just sticking them under my eye. I started out with a bigger crystal gem thing and then I went down a size, which is quite a bit smaller, but I didn't have any medium-sized ones. And then going in with the black eyeliner, I'm just fixing up the border a bit and filling in another layer of the pink so it's more vibrant. And here you have it. This is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. I added a butterfly and 3 gems and I really liked how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Make sure you check out my Instagram down below for more fit pics and cool stuff like that and me being just a nerd. Bye!